Hi guys, Adrian the Porsche Lover. Today I'm very excited for you to see the Porsche Level HQ in the flesh. Let's start the video right now. As usual, we'll start with a wristwatch check. So mine today is a Tudor Pelagos FXD. For today, I actually paired to a black color fabric strip, also from Tudor, for my BB Nor. And yeah, lovely watch. Alright, back to the topic for today. Alright guys, welcome to the Porsche Level HQ, where everything is about Porsche, and Porsche. So this is the largest independent Porsche specialist in Malaysia, where all Porsches are welcome, from the 911s to the Boxsters, Caymans, Panameras, Macans, even the Cayennes. So all Porsches are all welcome here. So you can see today is not a very busy day, but yes, we've got quite a few cars in the shops there, and yeah, majority are all 911s. And where to come to, let's say if you need to help to take care of your Porsches, because as you know, these cars are lovely machines. If it's functioning well, if it's not functioning well, it could be a headache and also a money pit. So you can see there my motto: eat, sleep, Porsche and repeat. So yeah, I will actually put my motto up there. So everything is about Porsche. In total, there are 13 work bays here, 13. So lots of space to work on Porsche. You can see right here, a lot of empty space, very airy, where it's very nice. So you can see your Porsches from here. So later we also explore the waiting lounge and see how it feels like, let's say, to come to the Porsche Level HQ. Alright guys, let's check out the waiting lounge for the Porsche Level HQ. So over here we have a very bright, very airy, very minimalist type of a waiting lounge, where you can sit down, have a coffee, have a tea, talk about Porsches, geek out about cars and everything in a very comfortable and lovely setting. And at the same time, looking at the cars, your own car being serviced. As a car enthusiast myself, that is a lovely feeling to have, to actually see your cars being serviced right in front of you. Over here, we actually have an empty area. So the plan over here is to actually have Porsche Level approved cars. We've actually sold quite a number of cars already, where the existing clients ask us to find a new home for the cars themselves, because and they make sure that the Porsches that they have, when they upgrade the older cars, they go to homes or to owners who will equally love them as well. So the issue is that in Malaysia, some of the cars itself are not in very good shape, or they are not what they claim to be: accident-free, VIP owner, the usual stuff. I mean, unfortunately, that is the state of Malaysian used car scene. So for us, the Porsche Level approved, we try to get rid of that. So let's say if you buy the car, we will let you know what's up the car. Let's say, because as you know, some of these cars are 10, 15 years old. Of course, they will need some repairs. So definitely, and then we want to be very transparent to you and show you what the cars will need. So you can see over here, this is a PCB MI drive that I joined. The Porsche Club Malaysia drive to Uliam, and of course the Evo Enduro 2019 to Phuket. So yeah, I mean, and these are lovely memories that I like to immortalize and share with the passion with all the future Porsche owners or current existing Porsche owners as to drive their cars. So moving on, you can see here, I've actually have a very lovely artwork of all the Porsche headlights from day 1 up to 2017. Here you can see the list of them all here, from the 356 all the way to 718s. And yeah, let me show you the other side, the other pillars, where it's the same thing as well, but instead of headlights, this is the tail lights for all the cars here. So it's actually a pair of them. Very cool stuff. I know geeky, but very cool also as well. Okay, so yeah, if you're here, please do check them out. Other things that we have in the Porsche Level HQ will be a set of magazines, which is specially created by myself, all the Porsche stuff, and of course watches. These magazines are very special magazines because why? They are all talk about vintage watches, huge bit of patina, huge bit of wabi sabi. So moving on, next also we have another waiting lounge there. So don't forget, we have a Wi-Fi table here. So let's say if you want to come here and do work, bring a laptop or Mac here, you actually do your stuff here, or do a conference call, Google Meet. So here we have more magazines for you to enjoy for your viewing pleasure. So, and then over here, another smaller waiting lounge, a more private setting one, where let's say if you want to get away from the public area, you can still sit here and also enjoy newspaper. We also have some cookies, some refreshments for you as well. And yeah, I mean, as a car enthusiast, what is more cooler than you seeing your car being serviced in the workshop itself? I mean, wow, that is very, very cool. Alright, so everything is very transparent, everything is very clean, so you can see everything that's been done to your dream car. Alright, lastly, we move on to the customer service area here. So you can see Porsche Lover. So this is my personal cabinet of all the collection I've had over the years, ever since before also I owned the Porsche. So you can see some of them are the Lego sets I built. Over here, all the Lego turbos. And then at the same time, my handphone case Golf, because of my Golf car last time. A Porsche Cup Malaysia. This is a autocross event where I came out first in the 911 category. Then here, GT3 RS Lego set that I built myself, has a lovely working PDK gearbox, steering wheel and everything. Then on top there, more Porsche stuff. So moving on here to the other side here, you can see these are all the certificates and all the awards that we won over a number of years. Alright guys, thanks for watching the walk around tour of the Porsche Level HQ. So yeah, let's say if any questions regarding Porsches, please ask me. I will leave all my contact details down in the link below, and also where we are located, the location Google Maps. Let's say if any questions, I'll be more than willing to answer you guys to help you get your dream Porsche, be it via a PPI, pre-trip inspection, whether checking the car, servicing, yeah, and then we do all Porsches. So I'll catch you in the next video, and in the meantime, stay safe and God bless you.